So what's going on, fellas? I received this box in the mail today from Artisan FX props and paint shop, and thought I'd do a quick unboxing, show you guys what I got. There goes my name. Get excited, and I am. Nice touch, General Frosty. This looks pretty cool. Not sure what it is, but it has a seal by Artisan FX. 4 of 27. So this is pretty cool. Very nice certificate that kind of details all the work that went into this replica, which happens to be Dayy's CNC machined Kylo Ren lightsaber version 1. I had General Frosty's group paint it for me, and there goes Jimmy's signature. So very nice, elegant touch. And there's a lightsaber. So here it is. Again, Dayy's CNC machined Kylo Ren lightsaber, painted by Artisan FX. This replica is actually based on the 3D model by Gustavo of the RPF. And there were two versions of this you could get. The version I got is the all metal, all aluminum version, where the upper exposed core is metal. The lower exposed core is all metal, and the bottom cap. And this belt clip is by Luuke. So a gorgeous paint job by Artisan FX. You can see the heat discolored rainbow pattern on the side emitters. Beautiful weathering. There you can see the blue wires. So I also have the plugs, as you can see that it's exposed in the top and the sides. I got the 1-inch plugs from Shapeways, and I'm going to try to install these and show you what the saber looks like altogether. So not sure if you can see these properly in this lighting, but these are the Shapeways plugs. They go in through the top, and these are the side plugs. I tried test fitting it just now, but I have to play around with the screws on this to get it to fit. I got the one side in, but I just got to fool around with the screws. You might be able to see it there. The focus on my cell phone is bad, but I'll mess around with that later. And maybe do another video later. So now I'll shut up for a little while and just let you see the details of the saber. So here's the saber with my other lightsabers. My New Hope Luuke, Obi-Wan, and the Luke Stunt Return of the Jedi version, and Darth Vader's Return of the Jedi. Those hoping to get in on this, the run is over, but Derek is doing a second run, and Gustavo was able to, I guess, better size the saber, the version 2s, because they had the Propshop version as reference. So the version 2 lightsaber is going to be a little bigger than this. If you go to the RPF, you can see the thread where they kind of show what the size difference is. They compare the two, a 3D rendering to show you how big the new saber is going to look. And it is, in my mind, considerably bigger. Just a quick follow-up to what we just did. I played around with the screws, and I was able to add in the Shapeways plugs. So there they are. And I'll just go over the details one last time. I still can't get over the heat sink, the heat effects, the heat distortion on the emitters. They just got a beautiful, really nice effect to that. The 3D rendering for this is just a great job all around. Gustavo's 3D rendering, Derek Dayy's organization of this and putting this all together, keeping us all updated, Luke's clip, and Artisan FX paint job. That's really nice all the way around. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Happy holidays to everyone. I wish you guys happiness, success, and continued health in the new year. And I will see you guys in the next video.